Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how to make your very own stop motion video using paper that you either print pictures or color pictures your own, and you'll need a pair of scissors. So to do your stop motion video, you want to start by either printing out pictures that you find on the internet, or you can of course draw your own. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and cut out your pictures. Once you have your pictures cut out, you want to think about what you want to have happen in your screen. I know that I'm going to want the bumblebee to come and land on one flower and then fly to the other flower and then fly back to this flower, and then he's going to leave. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with my bumblebee, and I'm going to just move him a tiny bit, take a picture. 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 Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that part now. I just wanted to show you what my setup looked like. I have a tray table with my phone sitting on it and then a weight on the phone to hold it steady. It would have worked really well if I had somebody else to hold the phone steady and take the pictures and I would do the motion, but I didn't have that as a choice. This is an actual video. I sped it up so that you didn't see how long it actually took me. But you can see me moving the bee, then I take the picture, move the bee, take the picture, move the bee, take the picture. So this is the whole process. Something that can be a little bit tricky is you don't want your hand in the picture at all. So although I'm the one who's taking the picture, so my hand doesn't have a choice to be in the picture, you also have to just be very careful and make sure that your hand is completely out of the frame before you take the picture. Now that you have your pictures, put them together into a movie using an app. The one I used is called iMovie. And now you're going to see my actual stop motion video in its entirety, and I'm going to tell the story of what's happening. Once upon a time, there was a bee who wanted some nectar to take back to the hive. There were two flowers who had been wondering all day how they could get the pollen from one flower to the other flower. Just then it came to them. As the bee approached them and landed on the first flower, they thought, "Oh wow, this bee can help us pollinate each other." The bee carried pollen from one flower to the other. While he was there, it gathered some nectar to take back to the hive. The bees were happy. The flowers were happy. The end. Can you create a stop motion video to show how plants help animals or animals help plants?